Hi, this is Paul from xBratalgos.com, and this is a quick video to discuss our reversals. So this is FDXS, so it's on a 15-minute time frame, and our first trade of the day was a loser, and that happens. We're using the range Breakout auto trader here, so this only trades on a Thursday and a Friday because when we've optimized that is the best days to trade. There's more European data and it makes it move. So we had the London Open this morning. We took 3 contracts long when it broke out of there. The bias was green, so we went long. It turned around on us and took out the stop. That's fine. That happens. Alternatively, now we have the reversal trade on. So during these first 10 candles, if we do get a reversal, so when we get this initial move out of the range, and the range is green, we trigger what's called the reversal strategy. So we get an order on, this time 4, because what we want to do is if we do get a loss, we want to get to that break even for the strategy reasonably quickly. So we will take 2 contracts off at this point here, pretty much where the session opened today at 13,250. That will help us negate that first initial loss, and then those other 2, if we continue to go, will give us some profit. But the idea with this reversal is we automatically recognize that initially the rule is it's got to break this first move out. That first initial move is no more than 75% of this particular trade, and again that changes per instrument. And then if we come back down within 10 candles, we will take in that trade. We took in the trade on this trade, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. We got a bit of heat, and now it's come back down, and when it goes through a certain amount of ticks, we get a break even here. So when we look at the strategy itself on the reversal, talk you through a few points here. We don't get a reversal every day, by the way, but we have those reversals in for data and for to protect against trades that go against us. So if I just move this over slightly and I'm going to move it down, we can see some of the criteria for this reversal in this center pane here. So on this particular chart, we've only got reversal trades enabled. So the first move size is 0.75. So this first move out has to be no more than 75% of this total opening range. The first move minimum size has to be 10%. So it has to move out of that first initial range in the direction that we believe the breakout's going to go by 10%. Maximum bars is 10, so this reversal's got to go in at least 10, no more than 10 bars. After that we cancel the orders, and then we can see the order type as a stop market. We're entering 4. The entry offset is 1 because we need to be reasonably quick in there, and then stop loss offset is 2, so we've got a stop in here. But now we can see the break even triggers at 30 ticks, so when it goes through 30 ticks, we put the stop at 10 ticks. So that's locking in a little bit of profit here. And then with targets, so two of those contracts will go off at 50 ticks, 1 at 75 and 1 at 100. So basically there you can see the reversal at this moment in time is risk-free, but what we're trying to do with these reversals is to it's not revenge trading. It has to have a very, very strict criteria for that reversal. But when we see those initial breaks, sometimes when the London Stock Exchange opens, for example, in this case, we do get data that comes out and reverses it. So we need to be ready to do that. And that will happen within 10 candles because we've done our optimization. It will happen if that initial move out is no more than 75%, but more than 10%. So we've got that very strict criteria. That initial bias has to be green to go for the short reversal. If it's yellow and neutral, we just don't trade the reversal. So there's a lot of criteria that gives us that. It's not what we would call a revenge trade. It is a reversal trade, and now we're in this. We're risk free, and we've just got to let it play out. So we've got that first initial target there at 50 ticks. We've had a good move down here, enough to get us to that 10 tick break even, so we can take a little bit of profit. But the main aim for this is to wipe out that loss from that first failed trade, because that happens. You know, if we would all be billionaires right now if every single trading indicator and strategy had 100% win rate. It doesn't happen. It's real life. If you think it's real life, stop watching this video and go and do something different. So right now we're in the process of regaining some of that loss, but now we are risk free, because usually those reversals move a lot quicker and we can get to that risk free status quite a way. So now we've just got to let it play out, and I'll come back with this video at a later stage to see how it goes. Okay, that was quite quick actually. So the first target has been met of the 50 ticks, and the auto trader has taken those 2 contracts off and taken the profit. So as you can see now, these are the only 2 trades I've had today on the FTXS, or actually on this account. So we can see now that we're in the green for the day. So again, a very strict criteria for this particular type of reversal strategy, but helps to regain some of those losses, helps to fill that hole in a very, very precise way. We can see now it's pushing through. Now we're at 53 ticks. So the next target for another contract is at 75 ticks. It could quite easily now come and close this gap to where that last target is. But I just wanted to make this video just to show you that there are alternatives to that range breakout, and with an automated trading system like this, you get those opportunities to trade those reversals, because the markets can go back on you. Everything looks good when we first get this London Open. We've had the gap up on the German DAX. It's moved up. We've had a slight move down into this opening range, and you know, most traders would say this is going to go bullish, but data can turn it around. And to have that reversal strategy in your toolbox, especially in an automated trading system like this, you really can fill those holes sensibly and then obviously make profit, and that's what we're all about. Check out the links below on this video for the enterprise membership. The enterprise membership currently has 2 auto traders, a third one is coming out soon, and we look to trade different types of strategies and market conditions with these. Hopefully that helps. Speak to you all really soon.